Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we are tackling a subject that is rapidly becoming a major compliance challenge for digital health innovators: the distribution of software as a medical device, or SaMD, through online application platforms. The conversation has been accelerated by recent guidance from Europe's Medical Device Coordination Group, or MDCG, which clarifies how existing regulations apply to these modern distribution channels. The key concept here is making available on the market. For decades, this term applied to physical devices moving through a controlled supply chain. Now it applies directly to the moment a user clicks download in an app store. This shift brings the digital marketplace squarely into the regulated space. Your App Store listing is no longer just marketing material. It is now an extension of your device's labeling. The intended purpose, indications for use, and user interface images you display must align perfectly with what is documented in your approved technical file. Any discrepancy can be interpreted as misleading advertising or off-label promotion, creating a significant compliance breach. Manufacturers must now treat their App Store presence with the same rigor as their instructions for use. Furthermore, this new focus places a heavy burden on version control and change management. When you push an update, you are effectively placing a new version of your medical device on the market. Your quality management system, or QMS, must have robust procedures for managing these software updates, including how changes are validated, documented, and communicated to users. It is the manufacturer's responsibility to ensure that only the current, compliant version of the software is available for new downloads, and to have a plan for managing older versions that may still be in use. The global nature of app stores also presents a challenge. A device might be approved in the European Union, but not in the United States. Manufacturers are now expected to use the geo-restriction tools provided by platform owners, like Apple and Google, to ensure their SaMD is only available for download in countries and regions where it has received the proper regulatory clearance. Failing to control the geographic availability of your device is a clear violation of the principle of controlled market placement. In essence, the App Store is now a critical compliance checkpoint, and regulatory authorities expect manufacturers to have full control over their digital storefront. Navigating these digital-specific regulations can be complex. If you need help developing a global market access strategy for your software as a medical device, we invite you to check out Pure Global. We can help ensure your distribution methods and technical documentation are compliant with the latest global standards. For more information, including our free AI tools and database, please see the description. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.